Yes, my private community client Bobby asked me to do a niche research and review about this channel from Brittany Vazauer. So let's get into it, guys. I'm gonna be today. I will be going over whether it's a smart idea to dive into a niche like this, which mostly is about cleaning and household products. So Bobby was doing his niche research and found this channel and asked me if I can do a review on this channel and what I would think of it. Right. So first of all, this channel, Brittany Vassauer, is a personal brand channel. So as you can see, it's just this girl talking into the camera and showing how to clean and how to do household related stuff. She has 1.5 million subscribers and 560 videos posted. So this is the first thing, like when you are doing your niche research, you have to understand that this is a huge channel and it's a personal brand channel. So the first thing you need to do is like realize if it's possible to make a channel like this as a YouTube automation channel, because different rules applies to as to this girl is going to show you how to do specific things in the house and actually do it herself and film herself. So if you want to do this in YouTube automation style, first thing you got to question yourself is where am I going to get the content from, right? So I made a little file here. And like I said, the first thing I noticed that it's not a YouTube automation channel. So if you see something like this, the first thing I would recommend you do is look for one of her videos like this last one she posted, 12 household items you've been using wrong your entire life. So you can probably do this as a YouTube automation channel, but you will have to find the content from some site or from some other YouTube video. Now it is probably possible, but you will have to Google, like YouTube, search on YouTube for these household items or find other household items and people using them, and then turning that into your YouTube automation video with your unique voiceover and script over it, right? I've been doing some YouTube searches, for example, top 10 cleaning hacks, but actually almost all the channels that came across are personal brand channels too. I literally couldn't find a single faceless YouTube animation channel that makes these house cleaning videos. Maybe this one. So 26 genius cleaning hacks every week must know. Not sure if it's faceless, but it's from 6 years ago, so it's a long time too. So basically, the first thing I would do if I consider a niche is even look if there's other YouTube automation channels doing the particular niche, because you really do not want to be reinventing the wheel in this business. And honestly, like I've been scrolling for a while now on this page too. On this page, I filtered it on last month. So here, this one is 5 minute crafts. These are okay. So it's not like a face in screen, but I think these are all custom produced videos though. So that's something you can consider too. Here again, Anne's passion, smart cleaning secrets everyone should know about. So basically, first tip I would give you if you consider getting into a specific niche is just search up their like popular videos for them and see if there's YouTube automation channels doing this actual ID. So here's 70 clothing life hacks. So you can probably make a video like this, but where are you going to find the footage for the life hacks, right? You have to consider that when getting into a channel. Here, another one, habits for keeping a clean house. So these are pretty, like, you could do like something like top 10 habits to keep your house clean. And then, I don't know, like find like a vacuum cleaner, someone vacuum the floor. That's probably possible, but I would still look for other channels doing this or not, because yeah, it can be difficult to find content for this if you always want to steal like personal brand channels, their content, and then put a voiceover on it. I think with copyright related issue from a channel that has 1.5 million subscribers, this might be difficult too. So one other thing I did is like look at their. The first thing I did, like I just said, is it possible to turn this into a faceless channel? So how would your content look and your video look? Is there competitors in this channel? How are you going to make your videos? What topics do you make them around? And would you have viewers doing this niche? Would you viewers watch faceless channels like this even? And honestly, like after scrolling for a while, I didn't find a single one that wasn't a personal brand channel. So I would stay away from this personally. Maybe if you can find one good example that gets views, it's fine. But if it's all personal brand channels doing like face their own face in the videos, I wouldn't recommend doing this. Now, one other thing you can do to come up with topic IDs at least is first of all filter on popular videos, and then second of all filter on trending videos. So if you go to her channel and then click popular, you can see here, so 70 clothing life hacks every girl must know, day in the life, 13 life hacks girls need to know, pregnant morning routine, closet organization, small bedroom organization, how to clean your room, do-it-yourself planner supplies, desk and office organization. So a very big recurring theme in this channel is the organization of specific household items, right? So what you can do is take this concept or idea. So basically household organization, and look up on vidiq or Google Trends, or look for other YouTube automation channels that might be doing top 10 household organization or like bathroom organization tips and tricks, secrets to having a clean house, like organize your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room, you know. So you can look on YouTube if there's channel doing these kind of top 10 videos or faceless videos, and if you can make a video around that too, or maybe even a whole channel. For the rest, like life hacks girls needs, I mean, you could do something like this as a faceless channel, but will viewers really watch a video like that if you are not a personal brand showing them the video and you're just taking content from other people, right? I'm not sure if it would work, and especially if you are not a woman, if it would work, because my client that asked about this channel was a man himself, so that might be a bit difficult. Now, second thing you can do is filter on trending videos. So the popular videos is just the videos that got most views. Trending videos is the videos that are at this moment getting the most views per hour. So these are often different videos than the popular videos. Let's see. So the first one is 12 household items you've been using wrong. 12 feminine hygiene tips all women need to know. Third is 12 mind-blowing cleaning tips. Fourth is what's next for me. Then she's getting divorced. So it's like personal brand related stuff, right? Here, how to glow up. I've read 100 self-help books, cleaning hacks, daily habits to save time or change your life. So here, Amazon household products you need. So these videos are probably very good for affiliate marketing, though, because she's definitely gonna link all those gadgets in her videos, right? And here, laundry mistakes you should never make. So I mean, it is the topics are good for, you know, faceless channels like listicle channels or top 10 channels. I would just be very careful of how you are going to gather the video information, like the video footage for this, because I wouldn't feel comfortable you just stealing like this whole video footage and then just putting your own voiceover on it, because that will at one point get you in copyright related issues, I think. Um, but the listicle style works good, and also thinking about affiliate opportunities with household related cleaning channels or just home gadgets, that might be a good opportunity for sure. But again, um, I would look for existing faces channels that are doing this before starting one yourself too. So maybe we can look up one more. So Amazon household products you need in your life. So instead of this one, let's do, or maybe let's relate it to cleaning though, because this was around. Okay, now so household, just household. Let me close this one and this one. So just before diving into a niche, because you see one like big channel, I wouldn't. I would do your proper research and look for some other YouTube automation channels and the different topics that are working on their channel, and if it's possible for you to turn it into a YouTube automation channel, because yeah, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. Like just find something that is done already that other channels are doing. To a certain degree, like with YouTube automation, as some channels being your competitors is good. So I wouldn't be too scared if there's some other people doing what you want to be doing. Okay, I filtered it on last month to see what comes up. So there's a lot of channels like this, like kitchen gadgets from Amazon you need. From the deal guides, probably also a personal brand channel. Here another personal brand channel. So I honestly would stay away from this because there's so much competition and there's so many personal brand channels doing this, and we didn't find a YouTube automation channel yet. So honestly, a red flag. You can take some of their ideas and research it further, like reading self-help books or here household organization, um, maybe some like girl related hacks or clothing hacks, but that's hard if you are not a girl yourself, honestly. And yeah, how gonna you gonna get your content together, right? So honestly, not a huge fan of this niche, especially because you do not find any other YouTube automation channels in here. All right, so I hope this was helpful and you took something away from it. I'll see you in the next one.